right, let's talk how to be safe with epoxy resin and UV resin. These are chemicals, so no matter which one you use, whether you use epoxy or the UV, it's a chemical, and it is, it can hurt your body or your respiratory system, and so we just want you to be as safe as possible. So make sure you read all the instructions that go with the kits, but also let's talk about more safety procedures that you're gonna need. So wear a mask. You need to wear a mask. Wear a mask. It will help with the fumes because these have fumes on them. No matter how low the fume is, it still has fumes with them, and so make sure you are wearing a mask. The next thing you need to have is the kits come with gloves. So be wearing gloves. There's the gloves that you can put on just your finger, or there's the gloves that can fit over your whole hand. Make sure you're wearing gloves because if you get it on you, you need to go and wash it off really, really well. As best as possible, wash it off, but this is to protect your skin. The next thing you need to do is wear clothes that you just don't care about. Just don't care about. Wear clothes that you don't mind, because this stuff, the chemicals, can ruin your clothes and then you can't wear them anymore. And so make sure you are wearing clothes that you don't care about. And then also put down, whether it's newspaper, put down whether it's like paper or whatever, but you want to be protecting your workbench or your table or whatever you're using. And so put down what you need so that if you drop it, whatever, then it'll protect the table. And last, I just want to talk to you about ventilation. Make sure your room is well ventilated, you have fans going on, or you have a window open, but make sure the space you are using these are well ventilated. We're just trying to protect you and keep you as safe as possible, and we don't want to be ignorant about the things that you need to do to keep yourself safe.